What happened, Vivan?
That today I was playing soccer with my friend, then he fell down and got a cut.
Oh my God, where?
On his knee.
Then?
I couldn't help him because I didn't know how to. So I was feeling so helpless.
So my dear friends, prepare your child for this type of situation. Let's watch the video how we can prepare our kids for this type of situation.
Hello friends, my name is vivaan'splanet from grade 1Y. And she's my mother's mother.
Hello.
What all is this, Mama?
Vivan, you shared with me that yesterday you faced something in the bar, that you saw your friend got injured when you both were playing soccer.
Oh yeah.
So I want to tell you what you have to do in that situation. So this is all the first aid things. So we will make a first aid box and I will tell you how to give a first aid to your friends, relatives and to your family members.
What's a first aid box?
Vivan, first aid box is the immediate treatment which we give to the injured or the ill person. You can cure the small wounds or the small cuts by yourself at home itself. So now I will guide you how to make a first aid box. First, Vivan, take any small box which is spare at your home, which is easy to open. Very good, Vivan. Which is easy to open and which you can carry easily anywhere, wherever you need it.
Is this box okay, Mama?
Yes, this box is good, Vivan. Nice. No need to buy any new box from the market which can be very expensive for you. Make your own small, easy and handy box, first aid box at your home itself. So Vivan, first of all, we need to put a cotton in our first aid box. Very good, Vivan. Put it in your first aid box. Now you need antiseptic lotion in your first aid box.
Mama, which one is antiseptic lotion?
This one is the antiseptic lotion, Vivan. Lotion means it's a liquid. So it's an antiseptic lotion which you need to keep it in your box. So now you need the antiseptic cream.
Which one is antiseptic cream?
Yes, Vivan, you can read it. See, it's written here antiseptic cream. So this is the antiseptic cream. You have to keep it in your box.
Okay.
So now you were holding a burnol in your hand. So this is a burnol and this is a burn heel which we use in case of burn.
What happens when we apply it on a burn?
So it gives a cool feeling and it heals your burn, Vivan. So keep it in your box.
Actually, when I'm touching it, I feel cool itself.
Oh, nice, Vivan. Keep it in your box, Vivan. So now, after that, we need a band-aid. Put it band-aid in your box.
Are these many band-aids enough?
Yes, Vivan, put it. And now, you need a thermometer also. I have this thermometer and Vivan is having a small digital thermometer. So any type of thermometer you can buy from the market and put it in your first aid box. Very good, Vivan. So now, very important thing, I have a bandage so it can be used. So you can keep this also, Vivan, but I think your box is small.
Yeah.
So I can keep it in my box right now itself. So now we need a Caesar. Put a Caesar in your box, Vivan, now.
Is this size Caesar okay?
Yes, Vivan, for you, I think this size is okay. So it's a pandemic time and we need to be careful that the virus should not spread to the other person to whom you are giving a treatment. For that, we need a mask and the hand gloves. Vivan, you have to keep these two things in your first aid box now.
Is this size hand gloves okay?
Yeah, these are your size only, Vivan. So you are preparing your first aid box, so you have to keep it your size only. So
And this size mask is okay for me?
Yes, Vivan, this size is very good. Yes, absolutely. You can put the face mask like this. Very good, Vivan. You can keep it in your box.
My box is actually kind of full.
So here I have one more cream to use it in case of you have an internal injury or some pain like that. So
I use this cream named Move and I use this for my papa's back pain.
Very good, Vivan. That's good. So now this box is ready. We will close this box.
Oh, I found some sanitizer. That's okay to put?
Vivan, yes, absolutely. If you don't have gloves, at that time you can use a hand sanitizer to sanitize your hand. Sanitize means you can kill the germs from your hand and then you can treat the other person. So be careful. Always keep the hand sanitizer in your box. So put that in your box, Vivan. Close it. Very nice, Vivan. So now we have to put
A plus.
a plus sign in that.
To let it know that this is a medical box.
Yes, to know that the Vivan is a doctor.
Well, let's put the plus sign on.
Vivan is a small doctor now. He is ready to treat his friends, family members and his relatives. So this is a first aid box ready. This is a small first aid box of
Mine.
and this is a big first aid box of Mama. As you shared with me that yesterday your friend got injured and you were feeling very bad for him, but you couldn't do anything, right?
Right.
How to give a first aid to your friends, to your family and to your relatives in case they get a small wound or small injury. So don't get panic. First of all, Vivan, you need to keep this in mind. Don't get panic in any of these cases. If you see your friend got hurt in the park, be cool and be calm. Okay? So don't get panic. And first you have to control yourself and then immediately open your first aid box. And it's easy to find it for you because the plus sign is there and it's very small and easy to carry. So first you open the first aid box, put your mask on your face, put your gloves, and now let's pretend that you got a small injury on your hand. So now you have a small injury. For this you don't need to go to the doctor because it's very small. First, what we will do, we will clean the wound nicely with the water. So now the wound is clear. Remember to throw it in the dustbin. After that, Vivan, we will put a antiseptic lotion. Now the antiseptic lotion will get dry and after that we will put a
Antiseptic cream.
Yes, after putting the antiseptic lotion, we can dry this little. So now your wound is perfectly secure and it will not catch germs or the dust. Now we will put the antiseptic cream.
Am I feeling better already?
Wow, that's good. Now we will put a little cotton on it and then we will put, now after putting this cotton, we can put a small band-aid.
The size of this.
Yes, so small band-aid. There are so many types of band-aids are available in the market. You can buy
Any of them.
Very good, Vivan. You are very intelligent. So now,
Thank you.
your small cut is perfectly secure. So now it will not carry germs or the germs will not grow on it. So your wound is perfectly safe and you can get well soon, Vivan.
It feels a little tight, Mama. Did you know?
Okay, Vivan, I will make it little loose. So don't forget to remove these things and put it in the dustbin. Always remove the gloves in the opposite direction and then throw it in the dustbin. So Vivan, tell me, what all you learned today?
I learned how to make a first aid box and heal small cuts.
Very good, Vivan. You learned how to give a first aid to your friends, to your family members, and to yourself also. Right? You can also teach yourself. But friends, my dear small little children, if the cut or the wound is too big, don't delay.
Just go to the doctor immediately.
Very good, Vivan. You should visit to the doctor. And in case of the burn, you can apply ice nicely on that place, and then you can apply burn heal or burnol or any cream which is available at your home for the burn. So you can apply that in case you have a burn. And if the injury or the burn or the cut is very deep and it's bleeding badly, don't forget to call the ambulance. And the ambulance number is 9